Hi, this is Governor J.B. Pritzker. Every day, Illinois manufacturers are making a difference in our lives. Whether it's quickly responding to COVID 19 or creating the products that we use every day, our manufacturers in Illinois are vital in our everyday lives. That's why, for October's National Manufacturing Month, I'm urging Illinoisans to join me in recognizing the heroic contributions of our manufacturing companies and workers, and encourage more Illinoisans to uncover the possibility of a career in modern manufacturing. Since the onset of COVID 19, our manufacturers and makers across the state have stepped up in amazing ways. More than 1,000 companies have come to the rescue, creating innovative new products, adapting their manufacturing lines, and producing new products to deploy the level of health response that this crisis has demanded of all of us. In future years, the manufacturing sector faces enormous demand. With an estimated 4.6 million manufacturing jobs that will need to be filled nationwide by 2028. From the production of goods and tech solutions that enhance business to those that just improve the quality of our lives, the manufacturing industry holds tremendous importance for our future. Through October, the state of Illinois will host several virtual events to showcase manufacturers who are working to design, build, and lead the future, who've already unlocked the secret to a rewarding career in manufacturing. Visit the Illinois Department of Commerce and Economic Opportunity website. That's illinois.gov/DCEO to learn more. Please join me in thanking our manufacturers for the work that they do every day to support our communities and our Illinois economy.